What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm finally taking care of something that I've been putting off for way too long. I finally got myself one of these. This is a paint pen for my car. I've got some nasty rock chips on my car that unfortunately you know, they don't get better on their own. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video, get this baby touched up, show you guys what it looks like afterwards. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get you a nice close-up and show you what it looks like. I mean, it's a nasty ass rusty spot there. Oh, there we go, color clear. Okay, so we got the color over here. So it appears that you're supposed to push it on some cardboard to get the color starting to go out. Hold on, I feel like it said something about popping it on the cap. I don't know. Oh, there we go. I heard the pop that time. You just push it down a few times till it comes out or something. Oh, there we go. It's starting to turn silver. It's starting to come out. There we go. All right, it said to get off the excess paint now. And then, oh yeah, well duh. Can't forget one of the most important parts. And that's how you know that which side's clear and which side's not. Clear side, nothing on the cap. Paint side, you got the color of the paint on it. Before we start painting, I'm gonna have to use this little thing right here. I guess this is just a little sanding pick or something like that, a fine point sanding pick. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to picking, I guess. Now, gotta clean the surface. Alrighty, we got ourselves some 91% isopropyl alcohol. So we're just going to take one of these cotton pads here, dab some alcohol on it. Oh, that was a whole lot and it's all over me now. At least I'm clean, I guess. Now, we're just gonna kind of clean it up before we start touching it up. Oh man. I mean, that looks like it's about as good as it's gonna get. Now, let's get the excess off here. If there even is any, it doesn't even look like there is. And now I guess let's see if we can touch this puppy up real nicely. Oh man, that is looking way better than I thought it would. Oh yeah, miles different. Oh yeah, man, that is looking a million times better. I mean, obviously you can tell that it's been touched up, but at least there's not a big old orange rusty spot on there anymore. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty, that is looking spectacular. Now, let's move on to the next spot. From this far away, can't even tell there was ever a rock chip there. It's completely gone from here. That's epic, man. Here, there's one more spot that I really want to touch up over here. This spot right here. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty nicely. But that's been there since I got the car, and I've been anticipating the day that I get to make it go away. So let's go ahead and get right to it. All right, get ourselves a little bit of rubbing alcohol now. Alrighty, that's probably as good as I'm gonna be able to get it. Set that sucker down there, pick this up. Let's get to touching up again. Oh yeah, man. Look at that right there. completely touched up, good to go. I mean, That stuff works wonders, man, honestly. I hope you guys can actually see this on camera, but like, it made a world of a difference. The spots are right there. Hopefully, if you guys had any questions, this will have answered them. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. But yeah, I mean, that about wraps it up for today's video, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.